Welcome to the installation process of your Neptune 803 GC analyzer. Let's begin with the step-by-step guide to ensure a successful setup. Unpacking and equipment placement. Start by unpacking all the contents from the crate onto a stable surface. Make sure you have enough space to accommodate all the equipment, tubing, and cable connections. It's important to have ample room for a smooth installation. Familiarize yourself with equipment's technical data. Before proceeding with the installation, it's essential to be well informed about the technical information on all the equipment. Only authorized and qualified personnel should handle the commissioning, adjustment, or repair of the instruments. Verifying equipment and accessories. Once the equipment is unpacked and positioned, verify that you have all the equipment and accessories listed on your packing list. It's crucial to have all the necessary parts to avoid complications during the commissioning process. If any parts are missing, report the deficiency promptly to resolve the issue. Connecting the zero air cylinder to the Neptune analyzer. To connect the zero air source required for the GC device, you need to route the provided 6x4 Teflon tubing from the air cylinder to the servo air inlet located on the backside of the instrument. Ensure that you purge the air line before connecting it to the analyzer, and make sure all fasteners are tightly secured to prevent leaks. Use a size 14 wrench along with a size 12 spanner to tighten the fittings. Note that the main air feed pressure should never exceed 8 bar, which is the maximum input pressure for the Neptune analyzer. Connecting the hydrogen gas cylinder. To connect the hydrogen gas cylinder, please use the provided 1.6 by 1 mm stainless steel tubing. Route the tubing between the gas cylinder and the Neptune analyzer's hydrogen input located on the rear side of the device. Ensure that you purge the hydrogen line before connecting it to the analyzer, and make sure all fasteners are tightly secured. Always store your gas cylinders outside, ensuring that their storage complies with local regulations. Open the hydrogen cylinder and adjust the output pressure to approximately 3.5 bar. Power and cable connections. Connect the provided power cables from the equipment to the nearest power sockets, ensuring that the device's power supply specifications are within the required range. Also connect the supplied USB 2 cable from the analyzer's USB port to the printer's USB socket located on the backside of the devices. Double-check the power source details and supply cables to ensure all connections are correct. Powering on the N.I.R.A device. On the front side of the N.I.R.A device, you will find the power switch. Turn on the device and wait until you see the temperature reach 450 degrees Celsius. Only at this point should you open the main air supply to the corresponding air circuit. Powering on the Neptune analyzer. Locate the power button on the rear side of the Neptune analyzer and activate it to power on the device. The analyzer will start up and automatically initiate a series of tests to validate the operation of both the electrical and pneumatic circuits. Please be aware that during the initial test sequence, the analyzer will require sufficient time to carry out the diagnostic tests. If you encounter any errors during the testing process, promptly inform N.I.R.A instruments for assistance. Preconditioning and sample analysis. Once the test sequence is completed successfully, the Neptune analyzer will transition into the preconditioning phase. This phase establishes a stable temperature for the oven's internal components and chromatography column, ensuring the effective separation of components during analysis. After preconditioning, the analyzer will automatically navigate you to the sample analysis page. This page allows you to commence testing on print and packaging samples for residual solvent levels. Follow the easy instructions provided on this sample analysis page for accurate testing. By following these steps, you can successfully install and set up your Neptune 803 GC analyzer.